This is another playlist about the Chrome extension Instant Data Scraper, which scrapes data from websites. It does not require any coding skills, and it's completely free. And one of the common uses for Instant Data Scraper or any web scraping tool is to scrape data from retail websites so you can get a well-organized Google Sheet, a table in a Google Sheet with information about a particular type of product. For example, Land's End is a retail site that sells clothing, and I searched for men's quarter zip sweaters and was able to scrape the information into a Google Sheet with the columns product name, product link, price, and sale price for about 100 quarter zip sweaters. There's another site called yellowpages.com, which is a good all-purpose site for finding any type of business or service in a particular area. So I searched for hotels in downtown Portland, and that became a Google Sheet showing information about 250 hotels in downtown Portland, and the column headers are name, website, phone, address, city, state, and zip, and then some reviews of that particular hotel. Also, I went to the Best Buy website and searched for sound bars for my TV and found over 300 sound bars, and I organized that into a Google Sheet. I didn't do all 300, I got about 100. But I organized the soundbar data into a Google Sheet, and it's organized by product, brand, website, reviews, rating, and price. If you're not familiar about how to get started with Instant Data Scraper, I put a link in the description about how to get started with Instant Data Scraper.